My name is Lilian Makoi. I am the founder, one of the co-founders of EdgePoint company. Ni kampuni ya digital integration. Tunatengeneza technology solutions za kumeet mahitaji ya Watanzania wa hali ya chini. Product ambayo tumezifanya ni Jamii ambayo ni bima ya afya kwa ajili ya watu maskini, na WaterTek ambayo ni huduma ya kuwapelekea maji watu ambao hawana huduma hizo. Mteja au mtumiaji anaipata kwa kupiga namba ya simu ambayo ni *150 *57. Tuna bima zaidi ya 8, options zaidi ya 8, ambayo ya bei chini kabisa ni shilingi 7,000. Ya bei ghali kabisa ni shilingi 60,000. Sisi kama EdgePoint ni kujenga a mobile policy management platform that performs all administration activities of the insurer. Alafu tukaform strategic partnerships na Vodafone Tanzania na Jubilee Insurance. WaterTek ni again tumetengeneza mfumo wa meter ambao tunaita digital meter na a digital card. We call it a radio frequency identification card. Ile kadi inafanya kazi as good as the kadi ya ATM inafanya kazi, ambapo tunachofanya tuna install hizi meter zetu za WaterTek kwenye system ya mabomba ya majumbani na system ya mabomba ya public utilities. By public I mean kuna mabomba ambayo yanajengwa vijijini, wale wana vijiji wanakuwa wanakuja kwenye center fulani, let's say ofisi ya mwenyekiti wa mtaa ama shule ama sehemu za worship like churches and mosques. Kwa hiyo kwenye yale mabomba pia tuna install system yetu, na wale wateja wanaweza wakati wanakuja kuchota yale maji kwa ndoo au kwa dumu, wanakuwa hawahitaji kuwe na mtu anayeuza maji. We are proud to say that we are 100% focused on improving the lives of the Africans through technology. And when we say Africans, it's not every other African. Tunasema ni watu wa maisha ya chini. Again, we see how technology can make a difference to people's lives. And probably there are not so many companies or organizations that are, targeting their efforts towards this segment of the market. And for us, we think, you can do great things and big things. As when you're trying to help these people improve their lives, you can still have, a great business out of it. So Jamii, WaterTek, all our products, or any future product that we will form, they are going to be based on this market. And we have done, pretty much enough studies to understand the market, to understand the needs. So after insurance, after water, I'm sure there's something else that we'll know is a problem to the same, market. Managing or running a startup in Tanzania is tough. It is very tough. And the biggest challenge is access to capital. Nadhani soko halina, I don't know who are the right people to be addressing the, access to capital to people who have great ideas or trying to do good things for the community. But how watu wanatakiwa kufanya hivyo, they are not doing so. For you, it really is a challenge. For us, we had to survive, from the time we formed the company till 2016. We have been operating the company on our own savings. We had to take 2 jobs, 3 jobs to, get your salary, pay your salary for 4 years. I spend 60 or 70% of my time on the internet. And there are pages, kuna F6S, kuna gas, there's so many pages, or I'd say, what do you call them, this website, ambayo you'd register your profile, tell, feed in details about your startup, your idea.
It's a proper platform.
Yeah, it's a proper platform. That's the right word. So you put in as many details about your startup as possible. Alafu ile platform individual people and companies that are interested in investing in Africa or investing in fintech or whatever, technology products that are there in the world. So wale watu watasoma, and then they'll pick you if they want to invest in you. Alternatively, pia kuna programs za apply. Although as a business person, one of the struggles which I really have, na my partner, is every business has to make sense business-wise, money-wise. The second thing is the awards that come with all the hard work. I love it, and yeah, it just makes me feel special, different, something.